Your chest knows what you're going to do before you enter the gym. Did you know that? It knows that you're going to go into the gym, you're going to do 2 warm-up sets, then you're going to throw a 45 plate on each side of the bar, you're going to hit that for a couple sets, then you're going to progressively add weight, you're going to do 5 sets on the flat bench, then you're going to move to an incline, you're going to do 3 to 5 sets on the incline, then you're going to do some dumbbells or some other press exercises, and the chest knows how much weight you're going to do, the chest knows the routine, the format, everything about it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play tricks on your chest by shocking your chest with this 225 rep workout. You're going to love it and you're going to feel it. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Fit After 50. On this channel, you learn how to stay fit after you're 40 and 50 and 60 years old, and you learn from me, who is in my 50s, how to stay fit without the injuries. Today, I'm showing you the 225 rep workout that I like to do to shock the chest. You're gonna love it too, and I wanna hear from you. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let me hear in the comment section what you do to mix up your workouts so that you can get that added growth. So what I'm showing you here today is 225 reps of chest exercises. It's that simple. You're not going to push the same amount of weight that you would normally push. Instead, we're going to push, in my case, 15 reps per set. I'm doing 3 exercises. I'm doing 5 sets per exercise. And these will feel pretty easy because the weight is so light. But as you go, you will notice that it gets harder and you start to really feel the burn. Remember, the goal here is to recruit new muscle fiber. In order to do that, we have to be sure we're reaching failure and really putting it in at the end of these sets. So to do that, you may not reach failure on your first couple of sets. If that's the case, be sure that when you get to your 4th and 5th set, that you're pushing to 14, 15, 16, 17 reps, whatever it takes. If you need to add an extra set to reach failure at 15 or 16, do that. But you want to be sure you're doing this with the lighter weight. That's the only way it's going to work for us. Believe me, the lighter weight is going to feel easy to start, but you're going to feel a serious burn as you get further into this workout. It's not a complicated workout, and it doesn't take very long to do, and you get big results. But you must be sure you're still reaching failure at the end of these reps. You want to be sure you're getting to a place where you're reaching failure at 15 to 17 reps. If you have to hit 20 reps to reach failure, be sure you hit failure. Hitting 20 reps does not matter. If you exceed 225 reps in this workout program, so be it. It doesn't matter. Just be sure you're getting to failure in at least the last 2 sets of the 3 exercises. If you want to mix things up and make this a part of your routine, that's fine. You can do that, not a big deal. I work out with lightweight anyway. If you follow my channel, you know I've gone from heavyweight to lightweight. This is a variation of lightweights off of the lightweight that I already do. You can do this once every 20 or 30 days per body part. So you could do biceps, triceps, back, however you want to do it, however you want to mix it up. Do it to suit your needs. Do it so it fits into your schedule and make it work for you. But the way I do it is about every 25 days or so, I come in and I hit my body parts with high reps, high sets, the 225 rep rule. You do it, you're going to see results. I guarantee it. This is an awesome workout. This is a great burn. I know I'm gonna feel this tomorrow. It's amazing because I always get sore when I do this, even though I've been doing the workouts all along. When I throw the chest shocker or the muscle shocker into the mix, I always get sore with whatever body part I'm working out. I know you're going to feel the same way. Let me hear from you. I wanna know how this is going for you. Let me hear what you're doing to mix it up, but be sure you always take time to shock the muscles and you will be glad that you did. Thanks for watching.